Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Crystal Cleans. Today's video is going to be a little break from the decluttering series because my house is a hot mess right now and I can't really make a mess by decluttering anything with the house already this messy. So I'm going to be doing an ultimate clean with me and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you get some motivation from it. And if you enjoy this video and videos like this, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And let's get to it. So I'm going to start in my room by making the bed, and I'm not really going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to pop in every once in a while and just kind of let you know what I'm doing. It's an ultimate clean with me and I'm cleaning the whole house, so it's pretty self-explanatory. And it's a part of you I never want to lose. I'll do anything you want me to. Like any other day, I know I'll find a way. And if ever I'm alone, you say I'll be thinking about you. I'll be thinking about you. I'll be thinking about you. It's so cute seeing Juliet. She's like my little mini me. She loves cleaning. Every time I'm cleaning something, she goes and gets a rag and acts like she's cleaning too. If I told you that this couldn't get better, babe, and your heartbeat, it lets me know you feel the same. I can hold you, keep you safe until you fall asleep. Never worry, 'cause I can give you what you need. Now everything I do is all for loving you. It's not something that we're used to. I wanted to get the girls' room done first so that I can put Juliet down for her nap and she wouldn't be disturbed. And it's a part of you I never want to lose. I'll do anything you want me to. Like any other. And now moving on to Wyatt's room. This room, ever since I cleaned out the closet, this room has really become like my favorite room to clean. I guess just because there's not really anything in here, it's just so easy to clean. I'll be thinking about you. 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 I don't know why, but vacuuming is just so therapeutic to me. It's one of my favorite chores to do, and I don't know why, I love vacuuming.
Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head.
I don't know if you guys have noticed, but a little update with the playroom is I took Wyatt's train track little table out of here and I put it in his bedroom just to make some more room. And I also took the little table and chairs out and I painted them like a dark brown and white, so it looks like a little farmhouse table, and I put those in the living room just so that there's more room in here. And I took out some of the toys and just kind of put them up so that they could have toys to like rotate through, because there was just way too much in this room that it was still just overwhelming. So they have toys now that they can rotate through, and they actually enjoy being in here a lot more now. In the bathtub, I'm using the Method foam bathroom cleaner, and I love using non-toxic stuff in the bathtub just because the thought of them sitting in the bathtub after I've like cleaned it with like bleach or something just does not sit well with me. So inside the toilet bowl, I used the Clorox, and then on the outside of the toilet, I just sprayed it all down with the antibacterial method cleaner, and then I'm using the same thing I used on the bathtub on the sink, and that's the method foaming bathroom cleaner.
And it just ain't fair. You know I can't fight it. I can't fight it. Wanna put my hands all over your body. Ooh, and if the stars don't shine, yeah, and if the moon fell down tonight, I would be there no matter what. I wanna be the one to make you fall in love, make you fall in love, make you fall in love.
And then in the bathroom, I'm using this new tile and grout cleaner by Rejuvenate, and this stuff works really, really well. I was actually really surprised at how much it actually cleans the grout.
You only come and go when you feel like it. Been at it for a while, but you won't commit. This inconsistent love is messing with my head.
And now we're moving on to the living room, and I love these Swiffer dusters, especially when you're dusting up like high over your head, and they really trap all the dust so you don't get dust particles in your hair or in your eyes. And I noticed some spots on the couch, so I just grabbed some of the glass cleaner and rubbed the spots out. And any kind of like microfiber fabric, glass cleaner works really well on cleaning it. So this is the little table and chairs that were in the playroom, and they were blue and pink before, so I painted them brown and white. So I'm just going to wipe everything down now with the Mrs. Meyer's in the apple cider. And this is the spray I've been using all day. I've been using it in the bedrooms and the playroom. And then for the stove, I'm using the Method heavy duty degreaser, and then I'll also use that to spray down the grates from the stove. I had that little plastic container that had some snacks in it earlier, and I didn't really know what to do with it, so I just put some of Juliet's little toys in it, and her and Wyatt really got a kick out of it. So Charlotte came in to tell me about her day at school, and if you see her fall on the ground, it's because she was telling me that she fell when she was playing on the playground today, and she got a little scratch on her hand. I don't know if you could tell, but Juliet keeps pointing out that there's dirt on the floor for me to clean up. She pointed at it like 3 times. She's so cute.
Thank you everyone so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and got some motivation, and I will see you next time.